In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect a WPS Office Writer file with a password. Securing your documents with a password is a simple but highly effective way to prevent unauthorized access and ensure your work remains private. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step so you can easily add, change, or remove a password from your WPS Office Writer file. To start, open the document that you want to protect. Once the file is open, move your cursor to the File menu located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on File and then select Options from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window with several settings you can adjust to customize your document. Next, navigate to the Security section within the Options window. Here, you will find the settings to add a password to your document. Enter a strong and memorable password in the designated field. Once you have typed your password, you will need to confirm it by entering the same password again in the confirmation field. This ensures that there are no mistakes and that the password you set is accurate. Additionally, you have the option to create a password hint. This hint can be extremely helpful if you happen to forget your password. It should be something subtle that reminds you of the password without giving it away to others. Once you have set your password and hint, click OK to apply the security settings. Your document is now protected, and anyone attempting to open it will need to enter the password you just created. If you ever need to change the password, the process is very similar. Go back to File, click Options, and then select Security. Enter your new password and confirm it in the provided fields, then click OK. This will update the security settings with your new password, replacing the old one. To remove the password, follow the same steps. Go to File, select Options, then Security. Simply delete the existing password from the password field and the confirmation field and click OK. Your document will no longer require a password and will be accessible to anyone who opens it. By following these steps, you can easily manage the security of your WPS Office Writer documents, keeping your work safe and under your control. With a password in place, you can confidently share or store your files, knowing that unauthorized access is prevented. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.